I'll do a little, not really how to, I'm not getting into everything there is, but changing the muffler out on my bike, the CBR 250. I have no idea how this little muffler is going to sound. It's probably going to be too loud, but shipping and handling and all is what, but 122 bucks. So we'll see how it does. It's a Danmoto. I forget the exact model. I have to include that in my description. And I bought the silencer, or baffle, whatever you want to call it, just in case it was a little too loud. I can quiet it down. Came with a little mid pipe, spring, strap. I've already taken this bolt loose. Went in there. Now I gotta go in and take the muffler clamp off. I got free-ranging chickens, by the way. So if one passes by the camera, that's my babies. Two bolts. Loosen that one up, take that one out. And this thing weighs a ton. I think it's 30, 40 pounds, something like that. I don't know. It's huge though. Look. Yeah. Yeah, it's got a catalytic converter in it. See, nothing else. I'm going to free up the exhaust flow on this thing. Should help it breathe a little better. Mid pipe. Let's take that off. There's a muffler seal there. Graphite pipe material. I hope I like the sound of this muffler because I just destroyed this thing. I'm all in, no matter what. I've watched other videos of people putting them on. Nobody said anything about that, so I wasn't prepared for that. Sorry if it's taking too long, but like I said, I wasn't prepared. I'll try to edit out any of the boring parts. Alright, that's good enough. Get a nice snug fit. Goes on very well. Alright, so we're going to want this. Do something stupid and look at the instructions right quick. I know you're not supposed to do that if you're a guy, but I don't want to bend it the wrong way. This is a Danmoto muffler. Like I said, I forget exactly which one this was. Conical. This is the conical. Yeah. Anyway, I don't see anything in the instructions that's going to help me. Alright, enough of that. Want that. Just kind of want to test fitting it here before I lock anything down. I guess this is a generic strap. I can see already I'm going to have to do some trimming. Probably gonna figure this out after I do the video. Do that. Yeah, I see some editing coming into play. Not sure what they were planning on you to do here. To me, it's bent the wrong way. Yeah, I guess you get what you pay for sometimes, but I'm not complaining. This to be in here. Just use your factory bolt to hold it. Wrap it around. That bit will actually work pretty good. It's just one of them deals. If you don't know what you're doing, maybe get your motorcycle shop to do it, but it's pretty simple actually. Alright, let's see how that goes. That's going to be my bracket. I may adjust it later. But before I put it all together, silencer in. Just a little baffling that it can't, but I paid, it was $7.99. Figured it's worth it, go ahead and buy it, whether I used it or not. Because I had to order it, it came out of Japan. I paid $40 just for shipping and handling. We'll go with that for right now. I may tighten it up later if I can get it to that next notch. Apple's sitting in there sideways. Pretty tight springs. forgot to put the rubber on it too. Anyway. Yeah, I have to take that off and put that on there. I'm not going to do it right now. Go ahead and put it together, see what it sounds like. May move that after I get done. I'm just do a little quick video. I may move that down behind it for a little better look. Like I said, I got to go back and put the rubber underneath here. What I'm thinking. Alright, let's see what it sounds like. But before I do that, but you can see the factory exhaust, how big that was. Heavy. I live in South Carolina, so hate me if you want, but you see there's a catalytic converter in there. I hope you can see it. I'm taking it off. I don't have to have it here. Definitely a different sound. Louder. I'm sure I'll get used to it though. Revving up the CBR